there. It's time to check out what's trending around the web, and Hillary has a look at what's on the front pages. What are you talking about?
Well, today trending on Facebook is some toy trouble. It was a big surprise for people across the country when they opened Play-Doh's new Cake Mountain set to find something that looks a little more like one of Mommy's toys than the ones that kids should play with. Now, complaints flooded in on social media demanding changes to the extruder, that's what it's called, which we aren't going to show you. But now Hasbro says if you call Hasbro's customer service department, they'll send you this replacement part. I don't know. Sometimes an extruder is just an extruder. Kids don't know.
Kids don't know, but that's true because parents are the ones that are mad about it.
Right.
Okay, I'm on your
For
side
the record, that's not the toy we showed you.
That's not
what we're
it.
talking
The one that we're
about.
showing you looks more like what I look like in the shower. It's more of a. It's more of a.
I want to move on from this.
It's more of an interesting shape to it.
It's a little
What are you talking about?
It looks more like a.
Basically, Play-Doh went R-rated.
Play-Doh went X-rated.
I'm just saying it went. I just went R-rated. I'm done after that. It was too R-rated. We're PG.
No, yeah, we're not. We didn't show it to you, but
we can't even talk right now.
this is so embarrassing. I don't know what's happening. I don't even know what's happening. Okay, what's happening? Okay, I'm gonna
Keep going, please. Keep going, Hillary.
Now trending on BuzzFeed is some wedding dress destruction.